out of breath. Just like that. All the 95s in here today, bro. But yeah, we're about to take it back to the lab and do a review. Easy pickup, super easy pickup. But you know, I ain't gonna waste your time though. You already know. Again, not the biggest fan of Air Max 95s. I am not. I've had some, but I'm not the biggest fan of them. I've had maybe 3 pair of Air Max 95s. This one seems to be the only one that matters. We copped these in a size 12. And let's see. We have the colorway black, neon yellow, cool gray. Yeah. Let's get them open. Oh yeah. For the price tag of $190, are they worth it? A true retro, 30 years in the making. This is the 30-year anniversary of what people really consider being the only colorway that really matters when you talk about the big bubble Air Max 95s. And let's get a quality check here. I inspected these at the store to make sure there was no quality control issues. And man, the materials on here are A1. I'm not mad at them. I knew I was gonna do this though. I said it in a previous video about me and this shoe. I knew as soon as I got it, I was gonna like it. I knew it. The details are all there. This is like, yeah, we're good, man. Take a look at that. That neon yellow, or since Nike want to change it up, this neon green. Stop playing. We got the neon going back there, so you already know how we do. But anyway, these aren't bad. These are not bad. I copped them in a size 12 again, but I do believe I should have went up to a 13. But we're gonna put them on foot and see just how they feel. But my initial thoughts on these is really simple. It's a clean ass shoe. Like, it's true that these are the only colorway that really matters when we talk about Air Maxes and Air Max 95s to be specific. These are dope. And I fucking knew it. I knew it soon as By the way, we do a quote unquote news drop every day here on the set where I talk about the latest sneaker news. Not anything crazy, because I'm not going down rabbit holes on speculative drops. We give you what you need to know, and we have it on the tech side of the game too, where we bring you new information on the latest tech news as far as cell phones, computers, anything that you can plug up or got a battery in it. We got news on it, and more than likely, we're gonna get that shit here in the lab, and we're gonna do a real review on it and let you know whether you need to waste your money on it like I did. So, yeah, but enough of that. Like and subscribe too while you at it. I think I'm shadow banned. I have no... Listen, if you haven't watched the last 2 sneaker reviews that we did here on the set, do yourself a favor and go watch them joints, because we actually did some really good reviews outside of the box, outside of the norm of a traditional sneaker review. Because let's be honest, that shit get old. Like, it's only so many times you can take a shoe out, do this, be like, oh, that's dope. Oh, look at the bottom. Oh, look at the side. Oh, look at the back. I mean, it's only so many times you can do that. Trust me. I watch sneaker videos just like the rest of us, but we try to come at it from a different perspective here on the set. So if you haven't done so already, go check them out. They're actually pretty, okay, that's conceited as hell, I know, but they're actually pretty good. And you can check out the comments too. The people that actually watched it before, they say it was pretty good too. And I just don't know why. I feel like I'm shadow banned. So if you already subscribed, unsubscribe and subscribe again, just so you can, I guess we can, I don't know what the fuck going on, but sorry about the language, but it's getting a little, yeah. Cause I see some videos out there on YouTube about sneakers and shit. And I'm gonna show you this just cause this is a sneaker review. While I sit here and rant, that video quality sucks, the commentary sucks, and everything about the video sucks, but they have a ton of views. We doing good shit here on the set, man. I digress. Sorry about the tone. Let me fix my hat. I think it was me channeling T.I. That's what it was. Yeah, the unks are back outside. God damn it, the unks is back outside. Anyway, this is a clean ass shoe, man. What we're gonna do now is we are going to give you some close-up views of this. We're gonna slap these things on foot and see exactly how they feel. Am I gonna regret not getting a size 13 when I distinctly remember getting a 13 in my 95s a long time ago? Yeah, yet to be determined. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna slap these things on foot, and then we'll comment on the fit, the feel, and whether I'm gonna keep these or not. Let's get it. Well, shit. Listen, I knew this was gonna happen. The fit and feel is great. Again, I promise you, I'm not a big fan of the 95s, but maybe I'm living in the moment, but yeah, these shits is alright. These joints is alright, man. And the people was out there for them today. Well, a couple. It was a real easy cop process. I walked into the mall, waited at the door. Foot Locker was late opening the door, but had a little homie walk over there and ask them whether they had them. And thanks for the follow, by the way. He flagged me down. They had them over there. Walked right over there, copped them out the door, back at the crib, just like that. So I ain't mad at them, bro. Not at all. Drop me a comment down below if you actually went for these, because the madness was kind of crazy initially. Sneakers sold out immediately, but mad restocks happened. So it's a great thing to be a sneakerhead these days, because that sellout is not always permanent. And these did not sell out. Initially they did. Online was trouble for a few sites, but those, as I was driving home, those restocks happened, full size runs. So if you wanted these, you can get them. Whether as the posting of this video, they're still available, I don't know. Matter of fact, let's hop on Nike right now and see what we got. Nike. I know Hibbett sold out. They had a restock alert. I checked on there and there was only a size 7 left in there. So yeah, let's see. Classic. Let's see what Nike has. Yeah, it's slim pickings on Nike, bro. A size 9. Yeah, that's crazy. That is absolutely crazy. Looks like the men may have sold out. Yeah. Well, I stand corrected. If you wanted them, you might be asked out if you didn't get them. So I'm sure that there'll be plenty of restocks later. But as of right now, yeah, nah, man, it's a wrap on those. You might as well go and tuck your head between your tail and kiss your ass goodbye, because them joints is gone. Yeah, man, slim pickings. Am I gonna keep them? I'm leaning towards a heavy yes, because it's a part of history. 30-year anniversary of these joints, man. And as of right now, I don't have not one 95 in the collection. So if I'm gonna collect them, I might as well collect some that's actually, yeah, this one, the big bubble, neon green, the screw Nike with this neon yellow. We know what color this is. All right, I'm just kidding. Yeah, let's end this thing off, man. I'm gonna probably keep them just because. Let me know if you went after them. If you did, let me know if you're happy with them or you gonna be returning them shits too. I'm a little peed off too because they had a coupon come out online and I was on my way home where JD and Finish Line was giving $15 to $20 off. And they wouldn't even give me the military discount on these. So I ain't tripping though. I'm rambling. I'm gonna get the hell out of here, man. Y'all go enjoy the rest of your day. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you are subscribed, again, unsubscribe and subscribe again. Don't forget to do that. And hit the notification bell or toggle that one too, because for some strange reason, these videos ain't getting out to everybody. My wife live in the same house. I post a video and she don't get the notification till 2 days later. And the notification bell is on. So again, do your boy that favor, man. Hit that notification bell. If you already did, toggle it on and off, just like the subscribe button. I'm your boy Money Matt with the Air Max 95 Big Bubble neon yellow. Just kidding. Neons. And we out of here, man. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.